Let's talk about all the important squares and cubes that you're going to need to know. I'm going to list them all out. I won't be listing out the first 10 because you can find them yourself. So we'll start with 11 square. That's 121. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. 14 square is 196. 15 square, 225. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. 19 square, 361. 20 square, 400. Now, you should definitely memorize all of these. You should probably memorize the squares from 20 to 30 as well, but we won't get into that in this video. So, 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125, 6 cubed is 216, 7 cubed is 343, 8 cubed is 512, 9 cubed is 729, and 10 cubed is 1000. Now, I suggest that you memorize all of these, copy them down, make flashcards, do whatever you need, but just memorize them. So, let's say we have a problem like this, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We know that this is just a plus b whole square. But let's say this came in a different form. Let's say it was 9 squared plus 126 plus 7 squared. So 9 is a and 7 is b. 7 times 9 times 2 is 63 times 2, which is 126. So this is just 9 plus 7 squared. 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 squared is 256. All I did was simplify this by using this equation. Now, you can use squares and cubes in a lot of different situations. The point is, you're just going to have to memorize the squares and cubes. Again, make sure to use whatever technique you need to memorize the squares and cubes. Now, memorizing squares and cubes can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice. I'll link the practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.